easy way to tell which side of the car the fuel tank is on. If you look here, you can see the triangle is on the left hand side, and that means that the petrol or diesel tank where you will need to get your fuel will be on the left hand side of the vehicle. And if you were to see that triangle on the right hand side, that means that your petrol or diesel tank fuel would be on the right hand side of the vehicle. And that's how you can tell. In case you get a rental car, or in case you're driving your family member's car and you need to fill it up, that will be the easy way to point it out to you. And this is not a rental car, by the way.